How to log out of Best Buy. So if you want to log out of your Best Buy, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for Best Buy. And here you can go for the first search, which is www.bestbuy.com, and it will take you to the website, right? So you can simply go for account, which will be on the upper right, and make sure to sign in or log into your account. And once you've logged in, now if you want to log out of your account, then you can go for your account, which is on the upper right. Click on your account, and here you can go for account. And under your account here, if you scroll down, then here you will have sign out option on the bottom left. Click on sign out. And once you click on sign out, it will sign you out of your account. So that's it. That's how you log out or sign out of your Best Buy account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.